Hello students, welcome in English class. I am your teacher Hiranur and hoping you all are fine and keeping yourself safe and healthy. Today I have a topic for you that is letter writing, and in which we will write the informal letters and the way of writing the personal letters. But before starting our topic, I wanted to share something with you, that is, letters can be a great way to ask for information. They also help you to tell the decision makers and other influential people. What do you think? Though email is a really popular form of communication, but the letters provides a powerful and more formal way to communicate. Let's check the outcomes first. Students, at the end of the lesson, you will be able to identify the elements of the letter writing, apply the elements to compose informal or personal letters, write a simple letter that includes greeting, body, and closing. Let's come to know what is letter. Written message conveyed from one person to another person or communication with written form is called a letter. There are two main types of letters are formal letter and informal letter. Formal letters we write for the business or personal purposes, and these have simple language. And informal letters we use for writing the personal communication, and these are written in casual or emotional tone. Formal letters generally we use for writing letters for offices, and informal letters for the friends or family. This is the very important part of a lesson, which is about format of informal letter writing. Here we have 6 steps to write a letter. Address, in which you will write your address. Date, after that you will write the date. Salutation, in which you will write the name of a person. Or you can write dear father, dear friend, sister, aunt, or anybody else. After that, you will write the greetings, in which you will say the hello hi, or you can ask about the weather or health, or you can tell about the weather or health. Then number 4, which is the main body of a letter, the detail about the activities, interest, wishing, and etc. All these comes in the main body. Number 5, complimentary clause, in which you will write your loving or sincerely. The last step is about signature and name of a sender, in which you will write your name and you will do your signature over there. Now here I have a very interesting activity for you, that is about a letter writing about your father on Father's Day. Some of the points can help you to write about your father, that is, you can write about a fatherhood or male parenting, his qualities and why you love him so much. After that, you can write to say him thank you by appreciating his hard work, giving us name, comfort of life, education, place to live, and so on. And you also can write as a hero of your life, how much he take cares, helps in studies, answering of all the questions you ask all the time. And you also can write that the bundle of thanks to raise you as a good daughter, citizen, or a person. Here is the question on your way, which is about write a Father's Day letter to your father or a father figure, thanking him for all that he has done for you. You could also design a card. Yes, a card. And you can write a letter with the clue points which I have given in the previous slide. Let's revise the topic quickly. We write letters to convey the message to someone in written form. There are two main types of letters. What are these? Formal letters? Yes, informal letters. Here are the steps of writing letters. Number 1, address. Number 2, date. Number 3, salutation or greeting. Number 4, body. And number 5, that is complimentary close. And the very last one is signature and name. Now I want that you have to read with me these all points. What is the first step? That is about address. Number 2, date. Number 3, salutation. Number 4, body. Number 5, complimentary close. And number 6 is signature and name. Go and quickly write a letter to your father. This could be the final shape of your letter. I know. Now you will write a letter to your father with a beautiful card for saying him thank you.